Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super handy for all you gamers out there. How to redeem an Xbox game passcode that you might have snagged from Discord in 2025. Whether it's a code from a friend, a giveaway, or a promo, this quick guide will get you playing in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an active Xbox account, the Discord app or website where you received the code, and of course, the code itself. If you don't have an Xbox account yet, head over to xbox.com and sign up. It's free and easy. Step 1. Open Discord and locate your code. This could be in a direct message, a server chat, or even an announcement. Once you find it, copy the code to your clipboard to avoid any typos later. Pro tip. Double check that the code hasn't expired, as these can sometimes have a short shelf life. Next, fire up your web browser or the Xbox app on your device. Go to the Xbox website and log in with your Microsoft account. If you're on a console, navigate to the store section from your Xbox dashboard. Now, for the main event, look for the Redeem Code option. On the website, it's usually under the Account or Redeem tab. Paste your code into the box that appears, then hit Enter or click Redeem. Xbox will process it quickly, and if everything's good, you'll see a confirmation message. If you run into any issues, like an error saying the code is invalid, make sure you're redeeming it on the correct region or that it's not already used. Sometimes, Discord links might require you to verify your account first. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy your new games with Xbox Game Pass. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!